Bem, né? Mas só que... Sim. É perigoso.
Okay, we're making our way through, you guys. This is very rough terrain around here. Ellen? All right, nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you.
Que é isso?
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Adios, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Agatha. Nice meeting you. Oh, excuse me. Better catch up with my team here. Get lost in the favelas.
No kid here.
They got little stores and stuff like that. People. Brings you out to another section of the road. It's like a shortcut. So I'm gonna have to turn the camera off right now because there's no filming out here. So I'm naturally not supposed to be recording right now, but I'm trying to get some footage.
Quem manda?
Pegava tipo...
Okay, so we're continuing our journey through the favelas, and it's a slow journey down as you wind through the different passages and portals. All of these are homes where people stay.
Guys, at the end of this bed has a dog sauce point. Don't take photo of that. If you took a photo, they are saying you
Okay, you guys, it's getting a little dark in here, so we're making the best way we can.
It's okay?
Yeah. You gotta watch your step. Okay. That's where we just came from. We're in the heart of the favelas. This ain't no joke, man. This is serious. I don't advise you do this on your own.
Only I do the two this way, nobody else.
We were just informed that
Left side, like that.
our guide has gotten us permission, I should say, to walk anywhere we want to walk on this guided tour. So, like I said, this is not something that you do on your own.
This CV, this symbol is from the gang here. CV in Portuguese, the full name is Comando Vermelho, Red Command. In Rio, we have three different criminal groups. CV is the biggest. CV has 60% of the control every community in Rio de Janeiro, like City of God, Santa Marta, Tabajara, Mangueira, Providência, Prazeres, Falete, Coroa. It's a big criminal group. We have three different criminal groups in Rio. CV, Friend Over Friends, and TCP. Three different criminal groups. All the other communities is dangerous because they are fighting for the control, try to get the rival control almost all the time. In City of God, every day shot. Police against drug dealers, every day, they no tour. You can see the number, 157 here, 157. Is the nickname the fourth drug lord in prison, in jail. The fourth drug lord in jail. Arrested since 2017, 5 years.
Barbershop.
Yes.
Nice barbershop.
Thank you.
Here's the post office. People come to pick up the house bills to receive something. Every street has a number or name. Every street has a post office. People came here and read. If it's yours, you take. If not yours, you put it back. It was back there.
So I've been informed that this is the center of the favelas.
The American guy say, Alex, this is a real gold. I say, I don't know.
So this is the center, a lot of shops, restaurants. It's a community. How many people are in the community? 70,000?
200,000 people.
200,000 people are in the favelas. So that's a lot of people in this small area. our way back down to the bottom. Two cameras.
It's a gym.
Oh, okay.
So the bank, how I told you, the bank.
Oh, okay.
Fala pro pai. Vai estar, pai. Valeu. Tudo bom pra você, pra família.
Okay, you guys, looks like we made it down out of the Favelas, and it was quite an experience.
Amanhã tem 2 horas. Aí meu problema é